Okay, so now we have our classifier prepared for us. So what we have to do right now is start with segmentation of the image. So remember, we need Hug transform to find text or to find circle in the image. So where is my Hug circle? Yeah, here. So if you remember, we have to convert the image to grayscale and then blur the image to get rid of noise, and then we use the hog circle algorithm or function to to get the circle. Yeah, and we will do exactly the same here. So, but I'm not going to copy this time because I made mistake when I copy and forgot to replace the text, and I have mistake after. So let us starting with image segmentation. So what we have to do now, we have to convert the image to grayscale. But I'm not sure if we did it before. If we did it before, yeah, we have the gray image, so we don't have to convert the image anymore. We can just use this one. So we can or like blurred blurred. Oh, I don't have to copy to comment this. So we can use blurred image will be CV2. The Yeah, we can use just blur, but also we can use median blur and also Gaussian blur. So you can see I can use this one and I add the source, which is the gray image and the kernel value. And I will try to blur it as big as I can because I want to have good result, and the sigma x will be 0. So now I have my gray image blurred, so I can calculate the circles. I can try to find circles. So will be cv2 dot hog circle, and here I will use the blurred image, and we with the method, the only one, her gradient flag, and dp will be, I will try 2.2, and the main distance will be like 100 because I need a real diameter. I don't want to have circle from any small item on the image. And now I will use the parameter one. And let's try 200, and parameter 2, let's try 100. As I told you last time, we have to use or it's better to use the half of the value. Main radius, yeah, we don't want to have 0 as we did last time because we don't have to detect every small circle. We want to to detect like normal circle from 50 pixels to like 100 or 120. We can max radius 120. So now we have the circle. So circle, remember, they are for us object or region of interest. In the image or in the input image, we don't care if there's a square because your coin cannot be square or they are not square. So circles are for us region of interest, but not every single circle. Circles that are like at least 50 pixels big until 120 pixels big. That's why we give the limit to the radius of the circle. So we can create a function that will predict the class or the folder of those region of interest. So we do something like this. We create a function predict folder or predict class, whatever you want, and we pass here region of interest. So we will have to calculate the histogram of those region of interest. Remember, because as I said, my my images in the dataset, I have cropped them to 200 times 200. So those circles that I'm able to get from the image by using Hough circle, I will have to calculate the histogram of them also. But yeah, I have to con or crop them or resize them to 200 times 200 again because I want them to be the same. I don't want to have like mistakes. So I will calculate the histogram of each of them by using the same function that I created before. So I get here the region of interest and we will then send them. So we will try to predict the material, or let's comment that predict the folder. Yes, after calculating the histogram, and we can add something like S will be my classifier, yeah, our classifier, and we use predict function, and we add all histogram that we will get from all regions of interest. So what we have to do now is return the folder. So return the name folder, and we pass here integer and S, like the folder. So here we try to predict the folder of the regions of interest, but we will have to do something more. Yeah, like let's see, we will create, we will we will try to get the diameter in, yeah, let's get diameter and folder and coordinates of each predicted region of interest. So let me create this diameter, will be empty, we'll append them after, and the folder, yeah, the clean folder this time. Let me try this. I hope that I will not forget how I name it. The clean folder will be empty for now, and the coordinates will be empty for now. So we can add a variable like empty one or 0 because we want to tell the user or to ourselves how much money we have on the image. So I think that this video is going to be too long. So let's cut it here.